Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie here in Jacksonville, Florida. How are y'all doing today? Hope you guys are feeling very well. I have some exciting news because this was just released. So I want to ask you, would you like to find out how you can make $11,993 a month? Now, I entitled this video, and I put a long title down here, about how to earn $11,993 a month in affiliate marketing commissions with Myleadsystempro's Affiliate Accelerator program. So, if this is your first time on my channel, I want to welcome you to my channel. This channel is for the home business entrepreneur. This channel is for the affiliate marketer like you to find out different things to help you grow your mindset of an entrepreneur, to help you grow your success mindset, to help you grow your home-based business or your affiliate marketing program by providing you with different tools, systems, and tips to help you grow that business. So let's get into the goods, because I'm actually looking at my screen here right now, and just this past Wednesday, MLSP, and if you don't know what MLSP is, stands for Myleadsystempro. It's one of these systems that I recommend for anyone that wants to grow their business. It's one of those I think 3 or 4 or 5 systems that I actually recommend to help you grow your business. So this past Wednesday, MLSP came out with their new Affiliate Accelerator program. And what I do have here is I have one of the screens from that presentation that I was on, along with thousands of other affiliate marketers and home business entrepreneurs who want to learn how to increase their income using affiliate marketing with MLSP. In addition to whatever they're building, whether they're building a network marketing business or direct sales, or this is in addition to that. So the Income Accelerator program, and I won't go over the entire webinar. I will leave a link at the bottom. I did a previous video previous to the webinar, but I will leave a link at the bottom. You can look at that presentation. You can look at the replay and find out if it's for you, and just get all your questions answered through that that link that I'll leave at the bottom in the description. So I'm going to go over what's changed, and then I'm going to show you how you can make $11,990 a month in affiliate commissions through MLSP on a monthly basis, and how it's possible. Now, I do want to give a quick disclaimer that I can't guarantee that you'll make this just by joining the Affiliate Accelerator, because I don't know what you're going to do. I don't know if you're just going to join it and not do anything. So it's really up to you and what you're willing to put into it. But this is a way to show you what is possible if you take advantage of the Affiliate Accelerator program from MLSP. So I'm going to look at my screen. I'll look at you guys, but I want to kind of explain what's going on here. So before MLSP came out with this accelerator program, this was their basic charges for memberships with MLSP. You know, it was $49 a month for a basic membership, $149.97 for professional, and $299.97 for a premium membership. Now, after that amazing webinar and information, they actually lowered their price to $49 a month for a basic, $119 for a professional, and $179 a month for their premium program. Now, as an affiliate program, they actually allow you, based off of your rank, whether you're L0, L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6, L7, you'll get a percentage of this every single month based off your rank. So if you're an L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6, L7, this is what your percentage would be off of this every month. So what they're doing now is, and of course also too, if you choose to do an annual with MLSP, these are the numbers that's going to come up to you basically on a monthly basis: $42 a month, $100 a month, or $150 a month if you decide to be billed annually for MLSP. Now, what is so cool is that MLSP, with their, they call it the Affiliate Accelerator program, is that they're allowing people that take advantage of this Affiliate Accelerator program to, even if you're an L0, which means that's an affiliate rank, just so you know, remind you that MLSP is not a business opportunity. It is an affiliate marketing program. It's a training platform. But of course, for people that you refer to it, they pay you commissions for being an affiliate of them. So the basis of this is that what they're doing with this Accelerator program, if you decide to get started with this Affiliate Accelerator program, they will give you, if you're at an L0, they will allow you for 1 full year to earn $66.67 off of this amount here, the $49, the $119 a month, and the $179 a month. So that's 66.67% or 67%. I would just round it up. So that itself is just totally cool. Now, I will say that with this Affiliate Accelerator program, if you are watching this video today, it is February 28th, Sunday, February 28th. This Affiliate Accelerator program is only available until March 10th of 2021. So this coming Wednesday. So if you're watching this video after March 10th, this offer is no longer available for you. Now, what is available for you if you are watching this after March 10th is the slash in prices for MLSP membership. So it's now a basic membership is $49, a pro membership is $119 a month, and a premium membership is $179 a month. So let's get into the gist of this, and I'm going to show you how you can make $11,000 and $990 a month with MLSP. Here it is, simple math. And the thing I came up with this because I wanted to show you as an affiliate marketer or entrepreneur a way that you could, if you can visualize how you can make money and how you can reach that $10,000 a month, in income from affiliate marketing or home-based entrepreneurship, it is possible. And this is what I found by just running the numbers. So, as an affiliate in this accelerator program, a new person coming in, you won't be at L0, you'll be at L8 for 1 full year. So you'll be earning $66, 66% or 67% to round it up of these membership amounts every month. So here's the math. And we'll start if you're earning $49, if you have a member or affiliate that's getting that's paying $49 a month, what would be your percentage be? Well, 66% of that is going to be, and I did this based off of just an easy number. Let's say I did this based off of 100 affiliate referrals that you have paying $49 a month. So here's the numbers. So if you have 100 basic affiliate at $49 a month, and you're getting paid $66 or 67%, we'll make it easy for the numbers. Your amount that you're earning off 100 basic affiliate referrals is $3,283 a month. And this is active affiliates that are paying $49 a month. That's a base number, $100, 100 people. At the pro level, if you have 100 professional affiliates that are paying $119 a month, active affiliates, and you're earning $66 and 67 cents or 67%, you are earning $7,973. So you probably get where I'm going here. Lastly, if you have 100 affiliates paying $179 a month, and you're earning 67%, you will be earning $11,993 a month. And that's 100 active affiliates paying this amount. There you go. $11,993 a month. It's possible with 100 people paying $179 a month and you earning commissions. So is it possible in the next year? Absolutely. What makes it possible? You getting to work and taking advantage of this affiliate accelerator income opportunity brought to you by Myleadsystempro. And then again, if you're a network marketer and you just want to earn something on the side, it is possible because you have the numbers here to show you of what is possible. Guys, that's it. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I hope you enjoyed what you heard in this short video. I try to keep it really short, but I will leave a link at the bottom of the entire presentation that was from this past Wednesday that the founders and co-founders put on at Myleadsystempro. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless. And again, take advantage of the affiliate accelerator because you only have until March 10th, 11:59. I think it's 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. God bless you. Peace.